Now I'm going to show you how to make a lampshade for a children's room. This is a really nice project. It's one that's very usable, stays around for a really long time, and it's a lot of fun. It's fun to have the kids see it each time when they come into their room, or you can just be making it as a gift for, let's say, a baby, a newborn baby, or someone who's decorating a children's room. But it's a really neat project and it's easy to make. Let me show you the supplies that you're going to need. First, you're going to need a piece of paper that you can draw images on. Those images are going to later be put onto a thick sheet of plastic that we have here. That's basically going to be our lampshade. But first, we want to draw the images on the piece of white paper so that they're easily traced onto the plastic sheet. And we're going to be using a ruler for sizing and cutting. And we're going to have some markers on hand. Those are going to be used for our decorations. And we're going to need a pencil for drawing our image. I have a wooden skewer here. I use the point to make holes. I use it to punch some holes that we're going to need to put into the plastic in order so that it should be closed and make like a ring, which is going to be the lampshade. So I just have that use that as my sharp object. You can use some type of X-Acto knife or anything you have on hand. And you'll need a scissors, and you'll need some gold metal fasteners. These fasteners go inside into a hole, and then they separate at the ends. That's what causes them to attach things as the ends are opened up. It holds things in place. So these are very useful. You're going to need a few of those. And you'll also need some ribbon that we're going to use to hang the lampshade, if it's hanging from a ceiling or if it's going to be hanging on some type of screw around the light. So this will come in handy. We're going to attach it on top of the lampshade, and that'll be where we can hang it from. So these are the supplies that you're going to need to create a lampshade for a children's room.